Have you ever encountered a networking problem while trying to set up a SAMBA share between a small Arch64 embedded Linux board in a Windows 11 machine? If so, this scenario might sound familiar. The issue at hand is with the connection being denied when attempting to mount the Linux SAMBA share from Windows WSL. It seems like the SAMBA configuration within the Docker container is set to only allow connections from specific IP ranges, and the client's IP address falls outside of those ranges. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. The key piece of information lies in the SAMBA configuration that restricts connections to certain IP ranges. Specifically, the configuration allows connections from IP addresses within the ranges 127.0.0.08, 10.0.0.08, 172.16.0.012, and 192.168.0.016. This limitation is designed to enhance security by only permitting connections from private IP addresses. Building on the previous insight, the error message "denied connection from 172.1.17.3" sheds light on why the connection is being rejected. The client's IP address, 172.1.17.3, falls outside of the allowed IP ranges specified in the SAMBA configuration. This discrepancy causes the connection attempts to be denied by the SAMBA server running in the Docker container. In conclusion, ensuring that the client's IP address falls within the allowed ranges in the SAMBA configuration is crucial for establishing a successful connection to the SAMBA share. By aligning the client's IP address with the specified ranges, you can overcome the connection denial issue and access the SAMBA share seamlessly. Remember, networking configurations play a crucial role in enabling smooth communication between devices. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Happy networking!